Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to send automatic payment reminders in FreshBooks. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to send automatic payment reminders in FreshBooks, you need to go and log in into your FreshBooks account. So once you're in your FreshBooks account, you need to simply go and tap open your FreshBooks website and simply get logged in into it. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to an invoice. Go to the invoice section and either select an existing invoice or create a new one. Now select the client settings. You can simply choose it from the invoice itself and enable automatic reminders. So select the checkbox next to the automatically send payment reminders for their client invoices. Now you can also set the reminder schedule and then customize your message, which is completely optional. After this, you can simply select the done button to save your settings for the client and their invoices. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.